Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the problem. Check battery or cable and move the mouse to a different USB port so you rule out power or port issues. Once done, open your operating system's mouse settings and test the current double-click speed. Note the setting so you can restore it if needed. Then launch any manufacturer driver or utility. This is where you can see button assignments and firmware status, and it helps explain whether the issue is mechanical or software-driven. Next, you tweak the software. Change the double-click speed in small increments and test after each adjustment so you identify a reliable threshold. If settings don't help, move to hardware, power off, and if you're comfortable, open the mouse. Use compressed air to remove dust around the switch, because debris often causes spurious double clicks. If the click feels inconsistent or spongy, consider replacing the microswitch or resoldering loose contacts. This fixes worn contacts that software cannot correct. Finally, reassemble the mouse and test it in several applications to confirm that single clicks are stable and double-click behavior matches your chosen speed. Make sure to update or reinstall drivers and firmware, and if uncertainty remains, test the mouse on another computer to separate device versus system issues. If the problem persists after cleaning and switching the microswitch, use the warranty or seek professional repair, because severe mechanical wear usually requires replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.